As I'm in a new chapter in my life, I'm also in a new space, so I wanted to reflect aspects of me. I'm transforming this into this. Let's get started. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Shan, and I'm sharing my journey on becoming a no-waste crafter. In this episode, I'm starting with my environment. My environment has a direct impact on my creativity, so organizing and decorating is important for inspiration. Since I'm in this space temporarily, I'm making renter-friendly items that I can repurpose later. I'm starting off with making some mini wall shelves. These mini shelves are multifunctional and decorative. I wanted to break up some of the dead space on the wall. So what better way than functional decor? So I received these little metal plates in a fabric sample box that I got from a company called Neighbor. I was under the impression they were all fabric samples, but it was a nice surprise to receive these because I got a chance to do this project. Now, I did have to buy the brackets for this project, and that's because I did not know that I was going to be receiving these metal plates, but we're working towards that no waste crafting. We're getting there. Y'all, I know that one on the left is a little crooked. I see it every single day. Right now, it's staring back at me still, so don't come for me in the comments. I know it's crooked. And here is the end product. I'm actually really happy with how these came out, with the exception of the blue one being a little crooked, and that I can't put a lot of weight on these because it's being held up by tape. But in the future, if I want to replace them with screws, I have that ability and I can utilize them as regular shelves. Let me know down in the comments below if you would utilize a little mini shelf. And if you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you consider subscribing if you're interested in more content like this in the future. And until next time, I'll see you in the next episode.